Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the watch and getting your iPhone ready. Make sure the watch has at least 50% battery and Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. Hold the iPhone camera over the watch face so the viewfinder aligns. Once paired, follow on-screen prompts to choose language and wrist. This first action saves time because pairing establishes the secure link needed to transfer settings and continue the guided setup without interruptions. Next, you secure and personalize the device. Sign into your Apple ID so Health and iCloud data sync. This makes activity and settings carry across. Set a passcode to protect data and enable wrist detection to lock/unlock automatically. Decide whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. Restoring saves apps and layout, while a fresh start cleans out old clutter. Then pick Apple Pay, Cellular, and which apps to install. These choices control convenience and battery use going forward. Finally, allow full sync so contacts, playlists, and apps transfer. This can take 10 to 30 minutes. Once done, customize watch faces and complications so your most used info is a glance away, and adjust notification preferences to reduce distractions. Learn basic gestures. Swipe, tap, press the digital crown. If something goes wrong, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on. If pairing still fails, restart phone and watch, or perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.